Hello, this is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. In this video, I will highlight the benefits of tracking equipment warranties in Hexagon EAM. Warranties and warranty claims are available under the Equipment menu and then under the Warranty folder. It is common for a warranty to be provided by a manufacturer or supplier. When equipment is still under warranty, you can avoid paying out of pocket for repairs or replacements. Warranties typically cover parts and sometimes labor, but there may be conditions for certain components. By tracking the cost coverages in EAM, you can ensure you're making the most of these benefits as well as complying with warranty terms. With a clear tracking system, you avoid wasting time figuring out the warranty status and can initiate claims as soon as possible. For each equipment, EAM allows for tracking the warranty duration. The duration may be calendar-based, where the duration is defined in terms of the number of days, which allows you to have a specific start date and expiration date. Warranty durations may also be usage-based, where the duration is defined in terms of a unit of measure. By keeping track of warranty expirations, you can avoid being caught off guard by expensive repairs or replacements once the warranty has expired. In EAM, there is an expired warranties report, as well as an option to receive renewal alert email notifications. If equipment malfunctions, manufacturers or suppliers often require proof of proper maintenance or compliance with terms prior to approving a claim. Tracking warranties and related documentation, such as preventive maintenance and work order history, in a centralized database ensures you have all necessary information readily available. In EAM, if an equipment is under warranty, the user will receive a message when selecting the equipment on a work order. As you can see here, the user is alerted that this equipment is currently under warranty. Additionally, the warranty checkbox will auto-select. Another great benefit of tracking warranties in EAM is the ability to initiate the claim process directly from a work order. Warranties, claims, and settlement details can all be recorded in EAM. If you are not tracking equipment warranties in EAM, I encourage you to explore this feature. Most users find that it helps to optimize their maintenance strategy. Be sure to subscribe and check back soon for more EAM content. Thank you.